How to reset your Brother MFC-J1365DW. In case you're having issues with it or you want to start fresh, step number 1, make sure that the screen is turned on by pressing any buttons. Then you're going to press the settings button, go down, until you have highlighted initial setup, go down and select reset. Now you have multiple resets. You have machine reset, network, and all settings. If you want to do a full factory reset, this is the option you need to select. And as it says over here, machine will reboot after resetting. Press the right side arrow button right over here for 2 seconds to confirm. So I won't do it now because I don't want to reset my printer, but if I was you, I would press this button during 2 seconds simply to confirm, and this way usually takes a minute and the printer will be factory resetted. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.